Hello friend, welcome back. I'm really glad that you are here. In this video, I will discuss about after end of this course what type of project you will build. So friend, in this course, I will build one complete multi-restaurant food order system with using Laravel latest version Laravel 11. So in 11, whatever the things is changes, everything I have covered in particular this course. And first of all, you will learn it and then you will develop this type of one of the project. Okay, so here there is a multi-restaurant one of the project, all that our restaurant is visible, each and everything is in here is totally dynamic. So that will be our three different dashboard. One will be for our user dashboard, another will be our restaurant dashboard, and also another will be our admin dashboard. And here I have also discussed about that things with you, how can create the different multi-authentication with using that guard, because here if you go to that our database, for the database I am using that SQL, and into this database you can see for our every user I have actually created separated table. So here that is one of the table as a user table, another table I have created for the restaurant owner as a client, so that will be our client table, and admin related all the data that will be in our admin table. So how can actually create this type of one of the multi-user authentication with using the guard, I will each and everything I will show you with the live example. So please give me some time to explain you a lot of things I have actually covered in particular this course. So most interactive part for this course is here in this course I didn't use any package, because some of the time if you using Laravel package as a Boom shopping cart package, so some of the time you may face some of the issues with using that version, right? So now that will be totally gone. Because of all in this course I didn't use any shipping package. Without shipping package, them how can create some of the complete e-commerce project, how can complete that add to cart and checkout process, each and everything I will show you with the live example, which will be very interactive for this course. Like here all that our restaurant will be display right now. If you go to that our client right now, that is actually one of the restaurant, and into this restaurant area right now I'm already locking one of the restaurant as a Crimson. And here you can also change their profile, you can also able to change their password, and also you will be able to change their reset password. Okay, everything I have already covered it for the restaurant. I have also covered it for the user reset password. And then there is a lot of the functionality I have actually covered here. That is our all that menu. He will be able to create some of the menu, he will be able to create some of the products. So that is all that our product. From here you can active this product, you can inactive this product, and that is our gallery option. They have the multiple gallery, so that is our gallery images. From here you can upload that multiple gallery images at a time. You can also create some of the coupons. So this coupon, when that will be invalid, that will be not executed after this time period, that will be as invalid. Okay, and also there is a manage order system, a specific this user related all that our order. So this order will be displayed here. You can also able to display that order details, all that data. A specific this Crimson related only this order will be displayed. Okay, and also the report a specific this our student owner related all that our report by the date, by the month, by the year, by the only year. You can also create this type of one of the report system. You can also able to create it, and also you can able to download the PDF format, and that is our all review for a specific this student related. If there have any review, this review will be also successfully visible. Okay, like here if you go to that our project, and into this project that is actually our Crimson. Here if you now open it, better around to open it, and here if you go to that our restaurant, so that is our restaurant details page, and here you can see that is right now display as a card system as a 0, and also I am successfully logged in. Okay, here if you go, and that is actually our this restaurant related, they have some of the most popular products. So this most popular product is visible. This restaurant related, they have some of the base seller product. This base seller product is visible, and also you can see that is one of the category, that means that is the menu, and this menu related if there have any product, so this menu related all that product is visible. And also there is another menu, and this menu they have the two item, item, and that is the 2 item is visible. That is one of the another menu. This menu related some of the item, and this item is also visible, which is very interactive one of the things. Okay, how you can do this type of one of the job, everything is step by step. I will show you with the live example, so that everything I will create it from to the scratch. Like here right now, one of the user right now, I'm already locking one of the user as a dashboard. Here if you go, I'm right now locking as a user. So this user wants to purchase some of the product. Let's check this out, how these things actually work. Like right now here, if you go and you can see here, that is actually our totally empty offer is there is a no coupon is available. It because of all for this restaurant, this coupon is already as invalid. Right here, if you go to that our coupon, and this coupon is invalid. So now if you want to change it, like here I want to change that date here, that is our date. I want to make it as a July 31. So now click as a save changes, and now you can see status is become automatically updated. Now that is displayed as a valid. And now if you go back again, if you now refresh it, yes, you can see it's now successfully also displayed this coupon as a cream, and if you use that cream, then you will get that 10% discount. Okay, and right now our item is also visible as a 0 item, and there is a promotional code. As I told you friend, everything I will complete it with you without using any package. Like I want to add this product. I click as a add, and you can see there is a add to cart successfully. And now if you go here, and you can see this product is also successfully added. Your item as a 1 item is visible, and also if you go to that our card, and into this card area, that is also successfully visible. And also all that our calculation is successfully visible. It's also successfully visible our which restaurant you actually put this order is visible. And again, if you go, I want to take another one. I want to take another product. Here click as a add to cart successfully. 2 of this product is visible. So from here, if you want to increment it, that is a quantity updated, and now that is a quantity will be updated. And here if you go, that is also successfully updated with the calculation. And if you now refresh this page, still now that will be the same. As I told you, how can add this type of one of the shipping cart functionality without using any package, I will show you in this particular course. Okay, from here you can increment it. If you want to remove this product, you can also able to remove it as a cart remove successful, and you can see there is a card is successfully removed, and there is a subtotal amount is visible. Again, I want to take it. I want to take another product as a add to cart successfully. Now that is successfully updated. If you want to increment it, that should be also increment. Our total subtotal will be updated. And here if you also want to use some of the coupon, that is some of the offer, I want to use this coupon, click as a apply, and that will be also successfully updated. And you can see there is an item as a 2 item, and creams, that is our coupon name is applied, 110% discount, total discount is also visible, and that will be also minus from our main discount, and that is actually our total price. Okay, how can calculated this type of one of the functionality without using any package? I hope you will like it very much. And now if you remove it, if you want to remove this coupon, and you can see there is a price is also now successfully updated, and coupon is also successfully gone. Okay, and also they have so many options. Like for this restaurant owner, he will be able to manage their gallery. Here if you go, that is some of the gallery functionality. You will be also able to update their gallery update this. Our 3 of these 3 is 2 of these 3, and 1 of these 3 is visible. So that is also totally dynamic. And restaurant information, so this all that information is also totally dynamic. There is a bookable, there is a rating and review, which is very important one of the part. Here user can also able to add some of the rating, and also he will be able to add some of the comment. When he add this comment, after that admin will be approve it, and then this comment will be displayed in particular this area, and also this part will be totally dynamic. Also that will be updated in here, how many 5-star they have, how many 4-star they have, how many 1-star they have. Each and everything is totally dynamic in here. And also you will be able to get there our average rating, so that is our average rating is visible. Okay friend, so how to do this work, everything will be very much clear to you. So there have the lot of functionality I have actually covered in particular this course. So that is actually our total process, and here if you go to that our another restaurant, right now I am already added 2 of this, right? Like right now I want to go to that our home, I want to go home, and here I want to take another restaurant like as a pizza restaurant. I want to go there. Okay, so into the pizza restaurant, if you go to that our pizza details page, and you can see there is our another restaurant. They have also another different banner. So there is a banner, you can actually change it. There is a logo, you can change it. There is a location is visible, and also they have the most popular for this restaurant. They have the 2 menu and only 1 item. Okay, so right now here I have already taken before 2 of this from our another restaurant. Right here if you go, you can see that it is also successfully visible that our restaurant, and this from to this restaurant I have actually taken 2 of this product. And now in here for this restaurant I want to add another one. Now click as a add. Okay, here I make it as a add product. Now you can see there is a add to cart successfully, and now that is successfully added. And now if you go to that our cart system, you can see it's now also successfully visible both of these restaurant data. Right now I am actually taking that things from our multiple restaurant, so that is the multiple restaurant is visible. So and also is successfully visible our total subtotal is visible. Right here if you now that is for this our restaurant, they have also another coupon. So if you want to access this coupon, this will be not applicable. It because of all here I have all these our coupon only that will be applicable if you using the same our restaurant. Okay, because here I have already added another restaurant some of the products, so that is the reasons this coupon will be not applicable. So how can add this type of one of the functionality? I will show you everything with the live example. Okay, so now here if you want to make it as a complete checkout, like here if you go to that our checkout page, like right now that is our checkout page, and there is a 3 of this item, everything is visible in here. And now there is a 2 option, one is the pay on cash on delivery, rather than you can also use that is Stripe payment system. So both of these I have actually shared in particular this course. So you can use that is Stripe, and also you can use that pay cash on delivery. So right now first of all I want to complete this order, so I make it as a pay now. Okay, so I make it as a pay now, and you can see it's successfully visible. Your order is completed successfully, thanks. Okay, and now this client also should be able to get notified. Here he will be able to get it if you now refresh it. Okay, here if you refresh it, now if you go to that our manage order, if you go to that our all order, and here if you go like right now there is a 25 our July, and you can see that is our last our order as a 560 cash on delivery is now successfully visible as a pending. And here one things, like if you now go to that our view, and you can see these I have when I purchase some of the order. If you now go to that our user is very important, one of the things. If you now refresh it, and here he will be also able to add some of the favorite option, and that means wish list option. And if you now go to that our order, and this order right here, if you go to that our view order, and into this order area you can see I have actually purchased 3 of this product from to the 2 of this restaurant. Right now that is one of the restaurant as a restaurant name as the pizza, another restaurant as a Crimson. But when this Crimson is get their order, he only get their own or restaurant order. You can see he's not getting that our another restaurant order, only a specific this restaurant related order he will be able to get it. So it's very interactive one of the part. Here I will also show you that things with the live example. And that is our user part. From here this user also will be able to download it. Okay, that means here he will be able to view it, he will be able to download that PDF format. Here if you click it, and from here if you want to download it also you will be able to download that PDF format. So how can download with the PDF, I will also show you that things with the live example. And when this order will be completed, our cart will be also as empty. Okay, now if you go to that our admin, and into this admin area that is right now as a 0, right? If you now refresh it, and you can see it's also get one of the notification. So here if you go, you can see that is our unread notification, that is a new order added in shop as unread. when you click it, then that will be also as a read, and right now they have the no unread messages, and you can see it's also successfully updated. So right now that is our new order. So that is our order is visible as a cash on delivery. Admin will be able to access it. From here he will be able to get all that our total order. He will be get that our restaurant as a pizza restaurant order and crimson restaurant order. From here you can able to change that confirm order, so that will be order confirmed successfully. From here he will be able to make it as a processing order. So if you go to that our right now, again I want to make it as a yes processing. So now this order is processing successful, and now that is redirected to our processing order. So from to the processing, if you go to that our view, and also if you go to that our user, that will be also updated. If you now refresh it, now you can see it's now successfully visible as a processing mode. And now from here, if you want to make it as a delivered order, so admin will be handle all that our order system. So now that is delivered. And if you now go to that our user, it should be also updated right now as a delivered. Okay, here if you now refresh it, and now you can see it's successfully updated as a delivered. So admin will be managed lot of things here. Also, I will show you what type of advanced things I have actually covered. Like that is actually our client. Right now, I am already logging on the client, and that is a restaurant account is the active. Okay, like right now, if you go to that our all menu, like that is our all menu, this user can able to access it. But right now I want to deactivate this user. From to the admin here, if you go to that our restaurant, there is a managed restaurant, there is a pending restaurant, and also there is another one as approved restaurant. Okay, so that is actually approved restaurant as a crimson right now, that is active. So here I want to inactive this user. Now let's check this out. If you click as inactive, and its status changed successfully. So now if you refresh it, that should be also updated. Here you can see that is our another one. If you go to that our pending restaurant, and into this pending restaurant, that is our crimson is now as inactive. And now if you go to that our user, that means crimson, and if you now refresh it, and you can see it's now successfully visible as a restaurant account is inactive. Please wait, admin will check and approve your account. And when that will be as inactive, any other menu is not visible. Only he will be able to access that profile, change password, and logout functionality. And also before I have already saved that our URL, right? So right now this user don't have any permission for access anything. So that is the reason. If you now refresh it, yes, you can see when this user will be inactive, he will be not able to access an URL. So how can do this work with using that middleware in Laravel 11? I will show you everything with the live example. Again, I want to change it here. If you go to that admin, I want to make it as active. Again, if you now go refresh it, now that is successfully as active, and also you can now able to access that our all menu. It's very interactive, one of the things. Okay friend, I hope you will like it very much. So that is a banner option. Admin will be able to manage their banner. Admin will be able to manage that order. He will be also able to manage report, the total report by the date, by the month. Like here right now, if you go to that our date, and in particular this date area that have one of the order, and this order is already delivered. Okay, and also you can get that our details data. So admin will be manage everything. He will be able to manage the pending, all that review. So they will be make it as active, then that will be as active, and that is a role permission. How can add some of the role, and how can add some of the permission in role with using that Laravel package. I will show you that things with the live example. And also from here you can import some of the item. If you want to export it to the Excel file, how can make the things as a all permission to the Excel to the CSV file or Excel file. I will also show you that things with the live example. And also you'll be able to import some of the file from the Excel file to the database. Okay, so how can do this work, I will also show you. And there is a manage order. So there is a different type of admin. You can create this admin, and also you can apply the same things for the client. So there's a different type of admin, as a super admin, and this admin they have some of the permission. And if you go to that our role in permission, so that is our, for the manager they have some of the role, for the admin they have some of the permission, for the super admin they have some of the permission. So if this user don't have any permission, he will be not able to access any of this menu. So how can add this type of one of the functionality with using Laravel Spidey package in Laravel 11. I will also show you each and everything with the live example. And also they have the another things, like if you go to that our home page, from here if you want to make this product as a add to wish list, here if you make it, this product has already on your wish list. That means if you go to that our user dashboard, if you go to that our favorite, and you can see this restaurant already in my add to wish list. And from here if you want to make it, there is a your wish list added successfully. And now if you go, right now we don't need it, here if you go and I want to go and refresh it, now there is also another one is successfully added. From here if you want to remove it, you can also remove that things from to the your wish list. Okay, and from here he can able to change their profile, manage their order, payment, addresses, everything he will be able to also manage it. And also if you go to that our page, and here there is also our filter option. Okay, so here now you can also able to filter it by the category, by the city, by the menu, and everything will be happen without loading that page. Like here if you make it as a chicken, and you can see they have the 2 chicken, and 2 chicken is visible. Here if you want to check it as a burger, so they have the 1 burger product, so that is also successfully visible. And also if you unmark it, all the data that should be loaded. Here if you select it as a city, they have the 4 products, so there is a 4 product is visible. If you want to filter it by the menu, like also there is a pasta, there is a pasta as a 1 item, so this 1 item is visible. Here if you go to that our item, that should be returned direct to our particular this restaurant details page. Okay, so how to do this work, each and everything I will show you with the live example. And also they have the so many advanced functionality I have covered in particular this course. I hope this is something you are interested in. If you are, then go ahead and enroll this course, and I will see you inside the course.